Hi, Rob Green here, and I am speaking to you from the beautiful west coast of South Africa. It's Easter Monday, so happy Easter to anybody that celebrates it, and I hope you're enjoying the public holiday. We're looking at the Africa legal tech job market again, and really what is happening. Well, it's been a slow start to the year. I think we made our predictions in January that things would start to steadily pick up, and they kind of have. We've seen some of the law firms launch departments across South Africa and East Africa as well. A little bit in Nigeria. We're seeing a lot of firms. Weber Wenzel, for instance, have just recently built up their fusion department where they're looking at fusing the law and the AI side of things. We've said all along that there's going to be the most amount of growth will be in the law firms themselves as they develop their own AI, their own AGI, and how they deliver that to clients. There are a few software companies like the brilliant Afriwise and Legal Interact, and a few of those companies are starting to grow. But there hasn't been a huge amount, or it certainly hasn't been any headline-making investment deals that I've been reading and keeping an eye on for the African legal tech job market. So it's still a case of watch this space. It depends on what you want to do. If you want to move over from law, traditional practice or in-house into a legal tech, you're going to be doing something different. At the moment, very much the jobs that we're seeing are very much on the development side. We are seeing some roles on sort of that delivery side. Those that maybe lawyers who can come into the software developers and actually explain how that is then delivered to the client. So that those types of jobs are going up and up. The salaries are, they're okay. I was going to say consummate with what you're earning at a law firm, but that's not true. They're a bit more. They're probably a significant discount, maybe a 30% discount. But it really depends on what you're looking for and where you see yourself. But yeah, I think a case of at the moment is to keep watching this space kind of thing. Salaries are going to start increasing towards the end of the year. You'll see the previous videos we've done in respect of the looking at the growth of each country. We're going to be doing some traveling around very soon, and hopefully some of the other monthly updates will be coming from other African nations, so please watch this space. And on those visits will be where we're talking about how the legal tech side of things is growing in their markets. So I think that's something that we're going to be doing from May onwards, so watch this space. But for now, it has been a bit of a slow start, a bit of a slow Q1 for the legal tech job market. And I think that's a case of, I think it will pick up. We're going to see it once some of the African nations have had their elections and things start to calm down a little bit and start to settle. We'll see a renewed interest in those markets from overseas legal tech providers, maybe potentially moving in to those fields. And obviously then we have May, June, July, which will see the legal tech conferences held in Kenya and Uganda. There might be others coming up as well, so watch this space. I've just been joined by my dogs, so I'm going to have to, they're obviously keen for a walk on the beach. So I'm going to leave you now, but look, have a wonderful April. Like I say, the legal tech space is, I wouldn't quite say hotting up. It's been a bit of a slow start, but it's getting there. So let me know if you want to talk about the markets in more detail, and about salaries, about advice and where to go, and let's keep in touch. Thanks very much.